Welcome! This video is about Aceclo Plus tablets, its uses, dosage, side effects, and precautions. Stay tuned for all the details. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before using any medication. Aceclo Plus is a combination of Aceclofenac and Paracetamol, used to relieve pain and reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis, back pain, and muscle sprains. Take one tablet after meals, as prescribed by your doctor. Avoid taking it on an empty stomach to prevent irritation. Common side effects include nausea, dizziness, heartburn, and stomach pain. Rare but serious side effects, such as allergic reactions or severe stomach issues, require immediate medical attention. If you have a history of ulcers, kidney problems, or allergies, inform your doctor before using Aceclo Plus. Avoid alcohol, as it may increase the risk of side effects. Remember, always follow your doctor's instructions for safe and effective use of Aceclo Plus. Take care and stay healthy.